Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video I'm going to walk you through how to download Cash App on your device. So as we know that Cash App is a mobile financial service app by Block and INC that lets you send and receive money quickly and easily. Beyond peer-to-peer payments, it supports extra features like personalized debit card, direct deposit, investing in stocks, buying and selling Bitcoin, and filing taxes. So it is designed to simplify managing and growing money on your own terms. So the way money should work. So to explore all these features, you need to just get the app Cash App on your device. So let's get started. For that, you need to follow the very few steps. The first is you need to go to App Store, or if you are an Android user, you can simply visit your Play Store and download the app accordingly. And then you need to search the app at the very top and tap the app name Cash App. So then you can see the app Cash App mobile banking on your device. So to get this app, you need to tap on the option Get, which is highlighted in color blue. Just tap on the option Get, and to download the app, you just need to double click your power button to install. So that's how your app is installed on your device, and within a very few seconds your app will be available on your mobile device. So that's how you can just download the app Cash App and explore its amazing features. So that's how you can do it. That's it for today. Hope this video find easy to you, and if this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.